on my way to get my very first haircut in 15 years. And I was like, I wonder if it's gonna hurt, you know, just because it's been so long. And I kind of acted a little bit childish about it. But when I was sitting in the chair getting my haircut, the lady asked if how I wanted my haircut. And I hadn't had a chance to even really think about it much. And I asked for a fade, as you can see, and she says, well, that's what it looks like you got last time. And I thought that was pretty funny because it had been 15 years since anyone had cut my hair at all. I came across Dr. Cole through research to the internet and looked at other people's results, taking the individual hairs and instead of the style where they take the linear scar. I think that that's the biggest difference. The fact that Dr. Cole is able to fix the linear scar in a typical transplant also says a lot about what he's able to do for you. The staff's been great. Everyone's been super friendly. Any of my needs that I've needed, they've been there for, and the staff is absolutely great. I'm absolutely happy with my results. It's been quite a transformation from a year ago. It's still unbelievable to look in the mirror and see what a difference it's made for me. The scarring seems pretty minimal. This is as short as I get it on the sides, and I let it grow for a couple of weeks, and I don't think that anyone has ever even noticed it. And I actually had my own brother, who was completely aware of my procedure, to ask me where the hair came from. I feel an amount of happiness when I look in the mirror and I see the difference from before, when I was losing my hair, and how, you know, it kind of becomes a little bit depressing and all, that to look and see that there's something new that's happening, that's coming, and to finally feel like that I can be happy with my hairstyle has been amazing to me and fulfilling. A lot of my friends and people that I've known in the past have just been very encouraging to grow my hair out because they've not seen it at this length, and I've not had any question of if it's natural or a transplant at all. I would absolutely recommend having a procedure with Dr. Cole. He takes into consideration your needs, your cares, and so for me has totally fulfilled all of those.